Ram returned to India after a long time. He visited the bank where his late father had an account. The bank informed that since the account had no transactions for the last 2 years, the account has been considered a dormant or inoperative account. In view of an increase in the number of unclaimed deposits with banks year after year, RBI has directed banks to play a more proactive role in finding the whereabouts of the account holders whose accounts have remained inoperative for 2 years. Banks may inform account holders in writing that there have been no operations in their accounts. If the letter are returned or undelivered, the bank may immediately put an inquiry to find out the whereabouts of the customers or their legal heirs in case they are deceased, or they can contact the account holder telephonically. In case a customer has shifted from the locality, he or she may be asked to provide their new bank account details to which the balance in the existing account could be transferred. In case the whereabouts of the customers are not traceable, banks should consider contacting the persons who had introduced the account holder. In the case of non-resident accounts, the bank may also contact the account holders through email and obtain their confirmation of the details of the account. In case an account holder gives the reasons for not operating the account, banks should continue classifying the same as an operating account for 1 more year, within which period the account holder may be requested to operate the account. The accounts which have not been operated upon over a period of 2 years should be segregated and maintained in separate ledgers. Banks should make an annual review of accounts in which there are no operations for more than a year. And in case any of your accounts has been declared inoperative, how can you make it operative again? Here is what the RBI guidelines say. The operations in dormant accounts with banks may be allowed after due diligence as per the risk category of the customer. Due diligence means ensuring the genuineness of the transaction, verification of the signature and identity, etc. Many banks ask you to again fill the Know Your Customer form that include all your details. The customer should provide certified copies of officially valid documents for proof of identity and address to establish an account-based relationship. Another important point, the RBI has made it clear that interest on saving bank accounts will have to be credited on regular basis irrespective of whether the account is operative or not.